Hello guys, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how to import JSON into n8n. So let's do a scenario. Let's say a friend of yours sent you a workflow. Of course, it will be in a JSON file like this. The easiest and simplest way is just to go to the three dots in your n8n session, click on them, and import from file. Click on this, search for the file that you have. In this case, it's here, and boom, you will have your workflow ready and set. Of course, you need to configure it and do all of that stuff, but that's how you import JSON into n8n. It's simple, straightforward. So I hope you found this helpful and see you guys next time. Goodbye.